To connect a Flutter app to a database, you typically use a backend service or API that communicates with the database. Here's how you can set it up. Choose a database. You can use various types of databases, such as Firebase, SQLite, or a SQL database like MySQL or PostgreSQL. For Firebase, add the Firebase core and Cloud Firestore packages to your prospect.yml file. Initialize Firebase in your Flutter app using firebase.initializeApp in the main.dart file. Use Firestore methods like Firebase firestore.instance.collection to read and add, set or update to write data to the database. For SQLite, add the SQFlite package to your prospect.yml file. Create a local database instance using OpenDatabase. Use SQL queries like insert, query, update, and delete to interact with your local database. For MySQL or PostgreSQL, set up a backend API to interact with your database. Use the HTTP package in Flutter to send requests to the API that interacts with your remote database.